dirty.
So, hey, this is crazymancycles.com. pt1 here, your teacher, my cameraman, little ugly sucker. And this is how to ride a dirt bike. First thing, hold my helmet, sucker. What you gonna do? Look, turn it up right. Y'all like my helmet, don't you? It don't look fresh. Okay. This is what you do. Your clutch. I want a KDX 200. At the light. Okay. You're gonna use your clutch and you pin it. Okay. Clutch. Okay. You're gonna put it in first. Crank it up. Put it in first gear. Pull in your clutch. And then you're gonna get on the gas a little bit, just like feather the gas, and just let off the clutch easily, real easy. Safety first, huh? Real easy. Just,
Here, poke this and say safety first.
Safety first. Okay, but you're gonna hold in the clutch, put it in first gear, give it a little bit of gas. Continue. It's continuing. You're gonna have it in first gear. You're gonna take the clutch, give it a little bit of gas, feather the gas, and let go of the clutch easy, and you'll be riding. It's not really that hard to balance it, because I taught your cameraman how to ride. Oh shoot!
And you see he almost fell there, right? Yeah, he fell. So sometimes you almost take half of his advice.
Whatever. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you.
Let me get on the side where you got the thing. And folks, if you're wondering if he's a good teacher or not, he is. And if you're wondering, can he jump a hill? We have that video next, probably.
This is Crazy Man Cycles. I hope I helped you.